On behalf of TrustWave Government Solutions and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around securing your data, the new currency of the digital age, where you will hear from data experts at TrustWave Government Solutions and Imprez share best practices for securing your databases.
Thanks. Hello, everyone. My name is Seth Brunson. So I'm an enterprise engineer and team lead here at Imprez Technology Solutions. And first, I just wanted to say thanks very much for taking time out of your busy schedules to be with us here today. And we're excited to talk to you about our partnership with TrustWave. But first, I just wanted to take a few minutes to tell you a little bit about Imprez, and then we'll get right into today's discussion. So Imprez has decades of experience with federal customers and helping them craft custom solutions to some of their biggest business challenges, like securing their data. And because of this successful track record, our sales and engineering resources are seen as true extensions of our manufacturer partners like TrustWave. In fact, a few of our employees have been in the industry for over 20 years, myself included. And most of the rest of our team, our sales team, are military veterans. So we've got subject matter experts in most of the major OEMs out there. And we've got a few people who have sat in your seats and understand the challenges of your jobs. We're also geographically distributed. So my team has people physically covering everything from the DC area over to the West Coast and even out to the Pac Rim. So we travel and we spend most of our time talking to actual customers like yourselves. And we have multiple contracts, and we've got dedicated teams covering every single federal government entity out there. And because of our history and our relationships, Imprez has a strong understanding of the federal marketplace. We're an SBA certified hub zone, and we have a full professional services team that can help with pretty much any type of on-site services you might need. Behind the scenes, we have a seasoned team covering contracts and proposals, cutting-edge cybersecurity specialists, and we have the financial stability needed to make your purchasing process as frictionless as possible.